Hello guys. So in tutorial 14 we have discussed Bootstrap Paginations. What is paginations? Paginations are if you have a lot of web pages. Simply when you have 4 to 5 web pages and you move to your user from first page to direct to your fourth page, then you have to give him a paginations so that he click on the fourth page and then he redirect to your website fourth page. So Bootstrap Paginations. If you have a website with lots of pages, you may wish to add some sort of paginations to each page. Means to give a certain identity to each page. Like if first page is 1, second page is 2, third page is 3, and before third page that is the previous page, and after the third page is the next page as you own the websites. So to create paginations, to create a basic pagination and the pagination class to an UL element, ordered unordered list, then add the page item to each list element and a page link to each class inside li list element. So first of all we have to make a new file, that is 14.html because it's our 14 tutorial. So simply first of all we have to zoom out. So first of all we have to import the HTML document type and then go to the Chrome browser and then open the get bootstrap and first of all copy the CSS file and paste it in your head section of your HTML document type, and then you have to paste your JavaScript separate file links into your HTML document type. Ctrl V, paste that, and here you have created a responsive web page. First of all we have to create a simple pagination, so we do not have to write each and every code of this tutorial. We have directly copy and paste from getbootstrap.com, which is an official website and give you the permission to copy and paste paginations. So first of all there is a paginations and these are the paginations. So we have to copy and paste it in your container element. So first of all make a container element, in this we have to paste that. Here you can see that it is the paginations that we used in our website. So simply save it and open with live server. So here you can see that the paginations, previous, first, second, third, next. These are the paginations which we give to the website. So simply in this we have to create a class page navigation example, paginations, UL class paginations, and page item, li class, unordered list. First of all we declare the unordered list, then list items. In this we have to create buttons, anchor classes. In this we have created anchor classes and give him names, previous, 1, 2, 3 and next. So next we have to active state and disable the state. If you don't want that your second page is disabled, if you want your second page has been disabled, so simply import the class disabled or active class. So simply first of all we have to in the list items, if you want your this class is disabled, first class, so simply disabled, save it, and here you can see that this class is disabled, no click on that class, this class becomes the un-clickable element button, and previous and 2, third and next are the clickable elements. if you want, this is an make him active class. So simply active. So simply save it, and which class is second class, and simply you can see that second class is highlighted because it is an active class, which on which page you are there, it is a second page. Simply. So we have removed the disabled. We don't need to remove the disabled class. So it's pagination sizing. Pagination blocks can also be sized to a larger or a smaller size. Add class dot pagination large for larger blocks, dot pagination small for smaller blocks. So simply in this pagination large class we have imported, and then there is the size of the pagination is increases. If we use small, sm stands for small, simply save it, and here you can see the pagination sizes is decreased. Hope you understand that. In next we have breadcrumbs. What is breadcrumbs? Another form for paginations is breadcrumbs. In breadcrumbs, it is same as that of pagination, but the design is different for showing the paginations. So first of all, we need from the move to bootstrap.com and then write breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs. Simply write breadcrumbs. So here you can see that there is breadcrumbs disabled, active state, sizing, alignment. Here the breadcrumbs. Again write breadcrumbs. That's the breadcrumbs. And here you can see the breadcrumbs. Home library data. Copy that and paste it in your container element. Again make a different container element. Dot container. And in this we paste that. Save that. And these are the breadcrumbs. Here you can see the simple breadcrumb, 2-page breadcrumb, 3-page breadcrumb, 2 links, and one is disabled, and there is library disabled, and there is home disabled. So these are the breadcrumbs, another form of paginations. The breadcrumbs, the dot breadcrumb-item class indicates the current page's location with a navigation heritage. So it is non-usable. So in this tutorial we have discussed all about paginations. In the next tutorial 15 we have discussed list groups, and in the previous tutorial we have discussed spinners. So if hope you like the tutorial Bootstrap, so we will meet in our next video. Thanks for watching guys.